Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And one of the factors that you need to consider before you can make a purchase from any store or from any manufacturer on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app is to check store rating. This is one of the things you need to consider, and it's very much important. But if you are the type that find it difficult to understand what I mean by store rating on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this from beginning to the end and see how you can actually check for store rating before you go ahead and make a purchase from a store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this is promised to be a quick and easy guide. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you on how to simply check for store rating before you go ahead and make a purchase from a particular store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to check on a particular store. Let's say, for instance, I want to purchase from this store right here. So I'm going to simply click on the product link here. So it's going to open up like so. The importance of store rating is that it gives you a kind of confidence that the store is genuine and the product they are selling is genuine. And then the rating will tell you a lot about what the people that have purchased the product in the past, what they have to say about the store. And this is one of the things you need to consider before you can make a purchase from any particular store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So on getting to a store like this, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Then where you see this type of star right here, this is overall general star rating of a store. If you take a look at this store rating right here, it gives you 4.5 general store rating, which is quite good for everyone to consider and purchase from this particular type of store. Then alternatively, the next thing you can do here is to simply come to the top right here where you see purchase rating right here. These are purchase rating right here, and this is what the previous buyer have to say about a particular product from a store, just like so. Then the next thing you need to do for you to read details about this particular store rating, what you need to do is to simply click on here. So I'm going to simply click on here now. So when you click on that, it's going to load up and show you all the ratings right here. You can see some of the previous buyer even go ahead and upload the product pictures. Now you can simply check on the meaning of each of these particular links right here. Here, these are product rating with pictures about 5,000 plus previous buyer. If you click on that, it will show you all the ratings from this particular 5,000 plus buyer in the past. Then you can see them right here. All the previous buyer here, they upload product picture of the particular product they purchased from the store. So the more you scroll down, the more different rating and different product picture is going to load up. However, this depends on the number of products that the store have sold in the past. So you can imagine this particular store right here. So they have sold a lot. And one more thing you need to take into consideration when you are checking store rating on Pinduoduo is that you need to check on each of the reviewer user ID. Like this one here is not the same right here. If you scroll down and check on at least about 10 and they have different user ID. This is another thing that gives you a kind of confidence that the store is a genuine store. And another thing you to consider as far as rating product is concerned on Pinduoduo is that it is always advisable that you have a rating from end user of a particular product. What do I mean by end user of a particular product is that people that use it within China, they have bought the product and they have experienced how the quality of the product is. That is what we call end user. And for you to identify them, you can easily identify them by their username right here. You can see all the names here are Chinese names. And all these people that purchase this product, you can imagine that some of them purchase just one pieces of the product, which simply means that they are end user. So if you are buying a large quantity, buying this particular product from this store will give you a kind of confidence that you are getting a quality item from this particular store. The more you scroll down, the more you see different rating as far as this is concerned. Then if you come to the top right here, you click on the video icon section. Here, this is where you see all the previous buyer rating with video uploaded in the ratings section right here. If you click on here, the video is going to play and you see the quality live video of the product concerned, just like what you see right here. So just like so, you can see the product video like that. And for more easy understanding of what is written right here by each of the reviewer, what you need to do is to translate this particular page right here. There is one of the easiest way to do that. First thing for, make sure you take a screenshot of a page. So I'm going to screenshot this page right here. So having made a screenshot, I'm going to simply exit from my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. They haven't opened up my Chrome browser. I will click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on this icon right here, the camera icon. So click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on translate. The next thing I'm going to do is to select picture and select the screenshot. Now we have everything translated into English language right here. So you can read the details right here. So this is all rating right here, which is 16,000. Then the rating with picture is 5,000 plus. Then the rating with video is 73 plus. And then sitting is very comfortable, justified by 1,500 and something people. Then returning customer here is 301. That is, the people that have purchased in the past, they still come back to purchase more from the store. So this is what some of these reviewers say right here. I like it very much. I'm very grateful to the boss for his guidance. Many questions during the installation were answered promptly and patiently. It was a very satisfactory shopping experience. Thank you, boss. So this is one of the great ratings. So you can scroll down and see some other people's rating right here, just like what you see right here. This is another rating. Adjustment convenient, very convenient. Adjustment smooth. Is that simple? So you can simply, if you don't want to translate to English language, maybe you don't understand English, you can translate to another language of your choice. And for you to do that, simply click on here. And then when you click on here, you see much more language here that you can translate into. So scroll down right here and download the language and make use of it offline. It's that simple. So I'm going to head over back to my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. And then here you see all the ratings. So you can scroll down and check on as many as possible feedback by different buyer. So this is one of the feedback right here. Make a screenshot or use any alternative translator available to you to translate and see what people have to say before you go ahead and contact a store, before you go and purchase from them. This is very much important to check on store rating. The general store rating and what the previous buyer have to say about a certain product is much more important so that you don't fall victims of what you buy versus what you get. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to import quality products, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.